So I want to put this pony here on this side. What I do first is I clean the entire surface with rubbing alcohol, and this pony should protect the plastic here from seatbelt scratches. So first I clean it really nice. Once it's clean, I warm up the surface a bit. Then I use the pony here. On the back it has adhesive. I just remove the protection film. Then I use a trim tool to go here under the rubber and line it up here. Open it a bit more. I can bring it over. Should match the top line. Right. Make it nice and smooth. Then I go from the outside, so I can go here under the corner. I might need to get a trim tool under here. That's nice lined up. And as a final touch, I warm it up to get the adhesive work better. So now this is how the seatbelt protection looks now. Now when the seatbelt bounces here on the wall, it doesn't scratch the plastic anymore. It pops off at that vinyl. I think it's a really cool little mod. I will do now the same on the driver's side and I'll show you some pictures from the driver's side. Hey, you're still here? So why not hit the like button and subscribe to my channel? I would really appreciate it. Thank you.